Do you know? You are a magnet, an attractive magnet that attracts the strength to acquire everything you want. Hi there, today's video is all about how to attract money to you. I've talked about money in relation to you and ways of making money in my last video, mentioned in the I button above and in the description below too. So, here now, what are you thinking? Basically, it is a very general question. But do you ask yourself? Do it now. Whatever you think and get focused on, that thing you will ultimately produce the frequency out of you into the universe to have it. And the universe grants you the thing. So what do you think now? Is the thing you are going to receive. Not instantly, but later. Once you have a clear thought on anything you want, say more and more money, and you are completely focused on it, having a clear images and thoughts with vision on it, you will receive it as a reality. But first, you have to be very clear of your thought about your want, say as money. Now being clear on your thought in your mind gave the universe a signal of your want. Now, next is you have to command the universe by saying, Mr. Universe, I command you to give me more and more money by believing and being happy about it. As I've explained in my affirmation video. Now, after commanding the universe, you need to be free and happy that you have more and more money flowing towards you each and every second. When you have constant and focused thought of money in your head and you feel actually receiving more and more money, you will be deriving your own ways of making more money through universe or say with your mind. Your mind is the magnet that attracts universe to make your want as reality by providing you everything you want. So, what you want in life, think about it with all your concentration in every ways that you can make it as a reality. You want money? Think about more and more money in your bank account and be focused on it only in your mind and work in many ways in which you can actually make the money, as explained in my last video mentioned in the I button above. Watch it now, because this is the time which is in your hand to invest. Do it now and enjoy the reality. You just only have to create the money in your mind, and it will provide you interesting and confident way of making successful money. Stay connected to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel. Do comment on your real stories on how you thought and process money in your life. Do share the video and like it. Believe, affirm, receive. Let's spread love together.